Greetings, everyone. Welcome to my video series, A Rabbi Encounters the Universe. Allow me to introduce myself. First of all, my name is Michael Gold. I'm a rabbi. I've been a rabbi serving 3 different congregations for over 40 years. But there's one area that's been my passion with religion, and that is what is really out there? What is reality? And I've looked at religion to try to study that issue. I'm also a philosopher. I received my Ph.D. from Florida Atlantic University. I wrote a dissertation on process philosophy and Jewish mysticism. Philosophy, religion fascinate me, and I've been a professor at 2 different colleges of philosophy and religion for the last almost 10 years. I also love science. I've been studying science since I was a kid. I was a mathematics major in college, even in graduate school. And when I went for my PhD, I even took a course in the mathematics of general relativity, not an easy area. So my goal with this entire lecture series is to put together religion, philosophy, and science as I encounter the universe. Those are my tools as I search for truth. First of all, religion, and not just my religion, Judaism, but religion in general. Is religion true? I have been very, very moved by what was written by the author Karen Armstrong in her book, The Case for God. And she talks about the difference between mythos and logos. Logos is scientific truth, things that correspond to exactly what's out there in the universe. Mythos is more narrative, stories, tales that we've told ourselves, tales the Bible tells us that we can learn profound truths about what it means to be a human being. And I think sometimes we don't appreciate the mythos that we learn from religion. So that's what I'm going to focus on in this lecture series. What about philosophy? Does philosophy give us truth? I think even the great Socrates would say that philosophy sharpens our thinking, helps us look at issues through arguing back and forth, saying what's right and what's wrong, but philosophy can never bring us absolute truth. There's a story about how the Oracle of Delphi said that Socrates was the wisest man alive, and he said that can't be true. And so he started to question all sorts of people. And finally he said, I must be the wisest man alive. They all think they know the truth. I know that I don't know absolute truth. I just know how to sharpen my thinking. And that's what philosophy does. And what about science? How does science get to truth? Science can get to truth only using a method that was developed by Francis Bacon and others at the beginning of the Enlightenment, what is often called the scientific method, taking empirical data, taking things that we could see and measure, and coming up with theories and then testing those theories, coming up with hypotheses and testing those hypotheses. So scientific truth is very, very limited. Science cannot tell us what is good and what is evil, or whether we have a soul, or whether God exists, or what's beautiful or not beautiful. We need other areas. We need philosophy and we need religion in addition to science. So what I hope to do throughout this lecture series is look at religion, look at philosophy, look at science, and with those tools, I hope to encounter the universe. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy joining me on this wonderful journey.